Kyra, this dress is not looking nice on me, no? This dress is so not your style. Dude, you're cool. You have swag. Now, let's get that swag out with this off-shoulder top and these cool sneakers to go with it.
मैं अभी ready हो गया.
Okay. Ruk. What's that? Hair removal cream? Why do you want to use all these strong chemicals on your skin? Try Venus instead. What if I cut myself? Venus is specially designed for girls like us. Chalo, I'll show you how it's done. Removing underarm hair with Venus is very easy. It's just 3 simple steps. Apply soap and water. Glide Venus up, down and sideways. Lastly, apply your favorite moisturizer and you're done. Try it.
I'll quickly take a shower.
Okay.
See? What do you think?
Ooh, stunning, babe.
My skin is glowing.